Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Prashansha Pant, and this is me recording myself as a documentary for my MBA journey. And in this, we will talk especially about what is MBA, why I chose MBA, and what are the different aspects of MBA, especially. So, coming forward to one biggest question that most of the recruiters as well as people have around me is that why I chose MBA. So, my educational background is that I come from a science background, which is nutrition and healthcare science. And in nutrition and healthcare science, if we compare it with MBA, is totally different, like the polar opposites. And that is sometimes shocking for people as to why from healthcare you are going ahead with MBA, which is a management and business degree. So, in my internship in Doon Government Medical Hospital as a dietitian, I really got really interested. Apart from patient management, I got really interested in management aspect of the hospital, and that really drive into it as to the skills that a management trainee or a management individual would need. And the first and foremost thought that came into my mind was MBA regarding the same. And when we talk about the difference in the educational background, yes, switching from science to totally business master's degree was a pretty difficult decision, as well as difficulty is something that you face because you have a totally different aspect that you have to look forward to. Learning Excel, data analysis, and all of this thing is pretty hectic some of the time, but again is interesting because as of now I dreaded Excel, but slowly and in a very minute manner. When now I'm learning Excel, when I'm going ahead with the new communication skills, the market dive in or dive down the financial aspect, it becomes interesting, and it also aligns with my entrepreneurial skills or entrepreneurial aspiration that I look forward to. So that is one of the thing that MBA is helping me, and it is bridging that gap that I always lacked in me as from coming from the science background. So yeah, MBA is helping me in many of the aspect and is building a passion for me and going ahead with the things. So that is why I choose MBA. That's all. Thank you so much for coming in my YouTube channel, and I would be updating you more with my life and with the MBA aspect of UPS Dehradun and how and why I'm doing it ahead and feeling. Thank you so much.